Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. So I found myself in a bit of a situation after all these years. My food storage containers would no longer all fit in my cabinet. So you can imagine how happy I was when I found these collapsible food storage containers. These are perfect. They come in a set of 4. They hold a lot of food. They're very easy to snap on. I like to use them to pack my husband's lunch, and I like them because they can go from refrigerator to microwave, and then when he brings them home, they go right in the dishwasher. And then when they're done, you just collapse them down and they fit beautifully in my cabinet. They come in lots of different colors and sizes, and I plan on buying more. 4 is just not enough for me. I think I need a whole set of these. All of the lids have a vent in the top for airtight freshness, so you can be happy knowing that your food is at its peak freshness all the time. When you're ready to put them in your cabinet, you simply push on the corners and they shrink down to 1/3 of their original size, so you know storage is going to be a breeze. I was worried at first about putting the lids on because I thought I would crush my food by pushing too hard on the corners, but the corners are made of a very sturdy material and I have had no problem with trying to get the lids on. So if you're in the market for some beautiful food storage containers that collapse down and save you some space, then you have found what you're looking for. I highly recommend these. And that's my point of view.